Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have a van made by MAN. It's a T3, it's a 180, it's also an extra long wheelbase panel van. It's also fitted with a 177 PS BiTurbo diesel engine, and it also has a 6-speed manual gearbox. This van is a used 71 plate. It has also had its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the vehicle, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the van. To the front, you will notice it's fitted with LED headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice front fog lights. As we move up to the grille, you will notice the grille's in high gloss black with a nice chrome strip. This van is also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the vehicle again, you will notice that this van is fitted with 17-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. On both sides you will notice mudflaps to the front and to the rear, and also side marking lights. This van is also fitted with heated mirrors. This is ideal for cold winter months. As we walk down the vehicle, you will notice to this side a side loading door. Looking into the load area, you will notice a bulkhead to the back of the front seats. As we pan the video camera around, you will notice that the load area is clean and free from damage. To the back of the van, you will notice rear wing doors with two 70-degree hinges. As we move across the rear bumper, you will notice a step. Looking at the back of the van, you will see a MAN badge and a MAN emblem on the rear doors. As we look to the top of the van, you will notice a rear view camera. You will notice there's plenty of space to the back of the van. If you would like to protect the sides and the floor against damage, you could ask a salesperson for a quote on Wood Ply-lining. Across the floor you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. Here we have the two 70-degree door hinges. Here's the magnetic door stoppers, and this is the advantage of the rear hinges. This van is painted in a metallic paint which is called Indium Grey. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a heated leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. As we move across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. This van is fitted with 3 comfortable seats in black fabric. The driver's seat also has a seat back massager, and here's the switch. The seat also has air suspension, and here's the adjustment. This seat is a active Ergo Comfort with armrests for added comfort on long journeys. I have now finished my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me you will notice mirror and electric window switches. Here we have the auto headlamp switch. Moving back to the steering wheel, you will notice multimedia switches. To this side you will notice cruise control. This van has covered 159 miles. This van is also fitted with a auxiliary heater with a remote fob. To the centre of the dash you will notice a large colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. If we move down here you will notice 2 USB-C charge ports with a 12-volt socket. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. This system is also fitted with MAN SmartLink. This will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called Mirrorlink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps from your smartphone. My favourites at the moment is Waze for maps and my downloaded music app. This van is also fitted with a rear view camera. As you can see, this will help you when parking. Moving down to the heater controls, you will notice that this van is fitted with air conditioning. It's also fitted with heated front seats. As you can see, they're easy to adjust the temperature. Here we have the temperature control switch. It's also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. This van is fitted with a heated steering wheel, and here's the switch. And lastly, here we have the 6-speed manual gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a T3 MAN panel van. It's an extra long wheelbase. It's fitted with a 177 PS BiTurbo diesel engine. It also has a 6-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used 71 plate van, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the van. When you're in contact with the salesperson, you could ask about booking a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options if needed. And thank you for watching.